Looking for a compact car that's reliable, efficient, and packed with modern features? The 2026 Toyota Corolla might just be your perfect match. With fresh updates, bold styling, and Toyota's legendary dependability, this car is built to impress. Stick around as we break down everything new in the 2026 Corolla lineup. You won't want to miss this. What's new? The 2026 Toyota Corolla is back, continuing its reputation as one of the most trusted compact cars on the market. Whether you prefer the sleek sedan or the sportier hatchback, the Corolla delivers a smooth ride, user-friendly tech, and excellent fuel efficiency. Everything you need for daily driving. Special FX Edition Hatchback. This year, Toyota is turning heads with the limited edition FX hatchback. Only 1,600 units will be made, featuring aggressive styling upgrades like a rear spoiler, 18-inch white alloy wheels, and eye-catching paint options including Ice Cap, Inferno, and Blue Crush Metallic. Inside you'll find suede sport seats with orange stitching, giving it a premium, sporty vibe. Trim levels and pricing. Pricing for the 2026 Corolla starts at around $24,000 and can go up to $30,000, depending on the trim and options. If you want the best balance of performance and value, the SE sedan is a top pick. It comes with LED headlights, 18-inch wheels, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, and an 8-inch touchscreen with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. Performance and efficiency. Under the hood, most Corollas are powered by a 2.0-litre engine, producing 169 horsepower, paired with a CVT automatic transmission. Need even better fuel economy? The hybrid version, available only on the sedan, takes efficiency to the next level. Now, speed isn't the Corolla's main focus. The hybrid hits 0 to 60 miles per hour in about 9 seconds, while the hatchback does it in 8.3 seconds. But what it lacks in raw power, it makes up for with a comfortable, composed ride, perfect for city commutes and highway cruising. Final thoughts. The 2026 Toyota Corolla keeps its winning formula. Reliability, efficiency, and practicality, with just the right amount of sporty flair in the FX Edition. If you're in the market for a no-nonsense compact car that won't let you down, the Corolla should be at the top of your list.